Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's our topic is Kashmir information. Administrating country Pakistan established October 24, 1947. Its capital Muzaffarabad. Its largest city is Muzaffarabad. If we see the type of government, it's self-governing state under Pakistani administration. Body Government of Azad Kashmir. President Sultan Mahmud Chaudhry. Prime Minister Abdul Qayyum Khan Niazi. If we see its area, it's 13,297 square kilometer, 5,134 square kilometer. If we see its population in 2017, the total population was 4,45,366. If we see its density, 300 square kilometer, 790 square kilometer. If we see its languages, official language Urdu, spoken Pahari, Pothovari, Gojri, Hindku, Kashmiri, Shaina, Kundal Shahi. It has 3 divisions, 10 districts, 33 tehsils, and 182 union councils. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.